Now let me highlight some main points in the chapter. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany. His mother thought him to be abnormal because of his large head. During his childhood, Albert did not play with other children, preferring mechanical toys instead. During his school days, he did well in studies, though not impressing his headmaster. However, he became a gifted amateur violinist. He left school at the age of 15 due to the strict regimentation there. He shifted to Switzerland to continue his scientific studies at the University of Zurich. In the university, he fell in love with the fellow student Mileva Maric, a Serbian girl. After securing a job, he married Mileva and they had 2 children. However, they gradually grew apart and divorced after 16 years of marriage. After graduating, Einstein found a stable job as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. There he continued his scientific experiments side by side. In 1905, he stated his special theory of relativity, which related time and distance, giving rise to the well-known E is equal to mc square equation, relating mass to energy. In 1915, he published his general theory of relativity, which resulted in his being awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. When the Nazis gained political power in Germany in 1933, Einstein shifted to the USA. When Germany developed nuclear fission, a colleague persuaded Einstein to write to the President of USA, Franklin Roosevelt, about the large-scale devastation a nuclear bomb could cause. This resulted in the USA developing its own nuclear bombs and using them on Japan near the end of the war. Shocked by the extent of the destruction caused by these bombs, Einstein wrote to the United Nations to stop the arms buildup by forming a world government. He used his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy during the next 10 years, till his death in 1955. He was known and celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius.